Want to create stunning split-screen videos in just 1 minute? Let's do it with CapCut, super easy and fast. Open the CapCut app and click on New Project. Select your first video and add it to the timeline, just like this. Now select the aspect ratio from the tools below. Choose 9:16 vertical for that perfect mobile-friendly look. Adjust the position of your video clip on the screen. Next, tap on Overlay and then Add Overlay. Select your second video clip and add it on top. Adjust the size and position to fit perfectly into the frame. Now frame it up neatly, making sure both videos look balanced. You can also add text to fill any blank spaces. Hit play and just look at that. A professional split-screen video in less than a minute. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment on what tutorial you want next, and subscribe to Droid Hunter for more awesome editing hacks.